Today I have a Land Cruiser 2023. I'm going to make the 8 key. This remote. This one is working remote. This I'm going to add by Obdstar. Okay. This is the original key. And this one I'm going to make it. So we are doing it by Obdstar by types. As you can see here. By type I'm going to program it. Select it from system. Type 8. First read the key, how many keys there. Let's try it again. Let's try to read the code key first. Yeah, there is a 2 keys already. So I'm going to make the third key. Going to buy 8 key. Okay. You should connect the internet. This function can program up to 6 keys. So let's continue. Switch ignition on. Okay, this is the car BIN number and data 3. Please send the word to third party to get the 12-digit code. So you have to get the 12-digit code by the chassis number, and then I will continue. So now I have the code. I'm taking the code from the third party, as you can see, by this 3 number. So put the code E843. बताओ ना. 843 ED1A C5B1. Correct? E843 ED1A C5B1. Right? Okay. Bismillah. Let's continue. Here's the program it key to the start button. Okay, now use the new key. Yes, it's success. Program is complete. Inshallah. This is the new key now. So you can see, take this. See this, old one. See the new one. Success. This Land Cruiser 2023 successfully programmed by Obdstar X300 DP+. So you can see